Hello, you're welcome to Edo Tafiame Boss YouTube channel. Please kindly like, leave your comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello my people, now well done. You are welcome back to Edo Tafiame Boss YouTube channel. So on today's video, now from Beatrice Okpaika, or Mama Beatrice. So she give advice to African German First Lady and her husband over the issue we didn't get with their mother and mother-in-law. You know, and then she really give advice way to both of them, and you suppose me they really take, and then so I really take time to listen. Beatrice Okpaika really try for this advice which she gives So because she use her own self take make an example because she's married about how she go her in-law side, how she they take behave. So she not just give advice like that because say she be elder woman to African German First Lady, like she just give she give an example, use her own self take give example, and thereafter she can still use her own daughter. Her own daughter will be say she don't marry and she married to a Benin man and she don't get children. Think about 3 children or something. But she still to say, okay, see how she behave when she go there. She not just to go there often because of now so marriage they be, because she not just want go be like person will be say trouble happen or say, yeah, she did it, or now she bring the trouble, or now she did scatter them, or anytime, you know, that kind of thing. So she say she know how she take go there, make her see finish not can happen. So on this one, she really give better advice to African German First Lady, and where she still did wrong, she still tell them. And at the same time, you know, and she constantly bring so many examples, even from the very first problems we say African German First Lady get with her mother-in-law, then with this new one, and now African German First City behave on one particular video we say her mother-in-law can't agree, then she can't cook for kitchen, the way the body language, the you know, the horror we say African German First Lady get when her mother-in-law they cook. I think people even ask her why her reaction be like that. She can't say now, so she just be naturally. Not be say she feel anything bad, you know. But however, may I not just talk too much. So may I allow everybody more go this video, you know.
Ija gamma. Husband, mama, in my son, and I will talk so. You can't carry a yella like you say you don't know. Why you go to tell people say you don't know, my dear? You know. You got if okay, you don't know. Okay, I say mama, your mother, no ma no quote what do ya o. What doggy ye no ma ni no mother o. Iye no ma no quote o. What doggy ye no ma no quote. Your mama, he carry juju. He go serve your husband, mama. Oh, now your papa family. You say, hey, the way one talk, if they work out for streets, now your family pick and go take and serve your husband, mama, paper. Where dog no ma ye. If you sambo, yani vata go po na o. Iyarie po yo wada. Yana sa mele kane What kind of family you for come there? You understand me? So as he be say he don't date Jamie, what he is supposed to do? He's supposed to make a proper peace. You know what is called proper peace with your husband mama. Sometimes instead making use your husband mama, take turn to a friend. Everything, he can't use Gladys turn to a friend, everything, secrets, all that. You know, that place, German First Lady, it start from there, they do wrong thing, they come, you know, they do wrong thing, they come. He to say as he don't date German, he they call mama, even though Kevin tell and say, not call my mom, you tell and say, I be, what it be name safe. Michael, he go say, Michael, no, I'm a mother. Let us play with your mom. Let's forget the past. You understand what I mean? Let's forget the past. But his husband not do like that to put fire, because according to their husband, according to Mike and Mama say, he picked the bitter because he felt abandoned them. Everybody knows, say, for this Europe, when you come here, right? Everybody they suffer. Not be everybody they quit make am like that. You understand? Hey, Michael. Not be everybody they quit make am. Maybe then their mother not quit make am. By the time he can't still make am, he still go carry them come up for their grandmother place and bring them come Europe. You know, is that not good? You know, person when you give person paper for this country, bring it call Europe. Now very big thing that the person do for you. You understand me? So now from there, now German first lady start to the wrong the husband mama. And they tell you, you know, no matter what your husband mama do, my dear, my love, because na small me go put my mouth. You understand? You know go allow that thing can't reach extent of. You can't carry, first of all, because you are Gladys, they play sweet me, lie, gossipy. You can't carry your mother-in-law. You can't go gossip her. Nobody will not get stay for body. Oh. Everybody, you way they look, if you tell me say you not get one stay for your body, not look your face, look all your body. You must see one stay when they body. You understand? Nobody is perfect for this life. So, for that thing, when German first lady do that first time, when he carry his mama now go call her, because your husband mama is like likewise your mother. It's like your mom. You understand? Because when you don't marry, they say when you marry, you don't belong to your husband people. You don't belong to your own parents again. Which German first lady, they like that thing. German first lady marry, it still belongs to your family, not the man family, not the woman family, your husband mama family. You understand what I mean? So from there, now German first lady start to the run. When did they carry your husband mama, they go judge for Gladys. From that place, German first lady, now you start to the wound your right leg. They come. That man is on affect get problem where they grant to. Wear me for the watch on they come. I mean they talk so. You understand me? Okay, your husband mama can't greet you. After he go back, he never even reach a month. Quarrel don't come. Kasala, don't boss. Bossa. Twe. Your husband now, he said, may tell you say, it's my mom. Or when Luka Kabok begin, he said, beat my mother well. Because now that market, I give you house to enter. When you can't do in mama, no matter what, mama na mama, mama na mama, my dear, mother na mother. After that, your husband mama just go kasala combos. All the thing when I eat sleep when we don't know, una can't bring her come Facebook. Una can't carry her come Facebook. You understand? Which, my dear, is not good, oh. It's not good. And you want to come do the worst thing now. After we don't fair quarrel with you for first time. The first one when you do, all live video presenter, there was against you. You not still get sense. You not still make you use sense. You can't apologize to your husband, mama. That apologize, that day when you dey apologize. So God, they made me fight lie, make God punish me. You not reach your mind. Me talking. As I look you when you need them, I say this on a fake apology. Because when somebody they really, when it come for a mind, from your heart they apologize, you go see her. But you that day, when I drink or go come they apologize, which is fake apology. You understand? Okay, nevertheless, you apologize fake apology. You for let it be. Mete that line, my dear. You for mete the line. Make we know here. You for mete. You know mete now. Now you are Gladys they quarrel. Yes? Your husband mama never near you. When you hold the phone here, man, you to see that woman finish. Why? You see me when even my daughter will married. Now some small they visit them. Me? Now me you can't say can't cause wala. If they get quarrel, I go carry this one, go back. I'll beat some. Beat this one. I go beat my pikin in front of your husband. in front of your husband. I go deal with my pikin. I go tell her what I want to tell her. But for back, I will beat your husband because I don't want me my daughter say finish. My daughter go they say, hey, why you say only my husband you enjoy my husband? Yes, that's called good mother. Yes, good mother that wants his daughter to marry. You don't go there and say because the man and you're for a present of your daughter. No. Kevin, abi na men natiwe Matthew atiwe abi natiwe mine. You understand? So now when you are Gladys they quarrel, all the gossiper one me I just leave that one first. Now when you are Mama Gladys quarrel, you can't go draw your husband mama. When you your husband mama when you say carry go meet Gladys, you see can't draw a leg. Hey, because you see and finish. You can't draw a leg, John, una shit, una poto, una boo, yeah, blah, blah, blah. You can't draw a leg, put it like, boy. My dear, you're not doing well. If you see people where they say, right down, you know where they do live video. My dear, we get many people where they say, right down, but when public come, we know they say, right down. If I tell you lie. Reason, this word where I will tell you. Sit down, make you reason now. As your sister. I take you as my sister and my daughter. You understand what I mean? When problem not there with their live video, so you say, Mama fired, Mama bell, Mama sit it, Mama. But if I got problem for inside now, nobody will come. Are you getting me? Now there you wrong. You not suppose come carry your mother-in-law come put for problem where you are Gladys get. After you and Gladys, after you and your husband mama don't settle. That one can't go. And upon that one, yeah, gamma. Husband mama in my son, and I will talk so. You can't carry a yella like you say you don't know. Why you go to tell people say you don't know, my dear? You know. You go if okay, you don't know. Okay, I say mama, your mother, no ma no quote ya what do ya o. Wa doggy ye no ma o ni no mother o. Iye no ma o no quote o. Guadori ye no ma onoko moto. Your mama, he carry juju, he go serve your husband mama. Oh, now your papa family, you say the way one talk, if they work out for streets, now your family pick and go take and serve your husband mama paper. Where dog chama no ma do ye ibe sanwo ye ni vada go ko na o iare ko yo gwada yana sa mere kan o aritiona. What kind of family you for come there? Okay, not be you send. Okay, let me say not be you send them. Your papa family, you say now your family. Anyone will be. They can't say, may you go give your husband. No, where we are because my dad, oh, wait, I not worry, my dear. Wait, I beg, my, oh, I don't say my oracle never complete. I'm coming. Easy. Where my baby go? Oh, mama, you already have my baby girl for my people. Okay, they here. Now I can't go so far. Baby girl, they here. One I vessel. No say we san hey. Jama. So you put person picking for akara. When you are in the do, kiss me. Kiss my hair. Kiss my nose. Not be mama bona. You can't forget say that thing they sweet make you respect mother way bona. Why you your family go serve and juju. Because let me tell you today, German First Lady, if you say that you are not aware, okay, fine. Since you are not aware that your family serve your husband mama paper, because that your family, they don't want you to marry, they want you to separate, they want you to be a single mother, so that the small money where they bring, it will come increase. You're supposed to let them know that, oh, my family, even though my husband go, the small when German people they give me, now from there they give una small. I cannot leave my husband, even though my husband go, the money no go still reach. Now see day, you know go do a shower down to enter benefit of single mother. You understand? My dear, they know they do things like that. If you not see who advise me, I tell you, say, that place, you wrong where? Your mother wrong, your family wrong. I be your husband people, whether na your papa side, your mama side, who said that woman paper. Because let me tell you, all of them when they watch me so, this Facebook, it was supposed to learn something for it. Because he don't do that one now. Remon fia oh yeah, Remon fia, oriotake oh. Remon fia, oh yeah, oh. Remon fia, oriotake oh. They go tell you that Nana, you even though you apologize for your husband, mama, mommy forgive me. Na lie, he will forgive you. That thing he did there is a stain. It's a stain that he will never clean for life. It's a stain that they will be using it to make parable every day. He say, hey, even though your husband or my cash you wish, you not get right. If you hear say what say mama, not I don't understand. Relation, I don't know. The kind I don't know. Una all of na the year when they say I'm married, but when they marry my Oyibo, mama, they call her my mama. I say mama. You know, they're not they talking for Italy, but me they call her mama. Papa. You know, Papa, I take that man, especially the father, because I not get Papa, my Papa, I small when my Papa died. I take that man as my own father, and the man really treats me well as his own daughter. The day when my Papa died, now that day I know say the marriage not go work because the mother never liked black, but the Papa he do. The mother never liked black. You understand? But the father, if he die for me, if I say Papa, I want, before they say Papa, because the Papa get money, Papa, money go just give me. Nothing like build yourself with your husband family, yeah? Now you go come build that up now. So even though relationship not there between you and your family or whatever with your family, through your mother-in-law, you now come build una own, I know say some mother-in-law, they be idiot too. You understand? So if you build that relationship with your mother-in-law, yeah, you go come go reach your family. They'll come they say, yeah, as that woman be swagalicious mama, I don't think if you see something good in the market, it will not buy for you. It will do. It will buy for your children. Like my grandchildren, I don't play with them. I don't play with them. Now, being born there for, but I don't joke with my grandchildren. I'm ready to use all my salary for my grandchildren. Their papa, Nabini. But I don't care. You understand what I mean? I want my grandchildren to dress the bed. Ask me this, so a swagalicious mama. My children will come dirty. I'm not going to green now. Yeah, how many children God give me when I say I'll come see my children dirty? My grand, no worry, one day I will put all of them for Facebook. I mean you. Me una see say, Okpa cannot be lie. Me I not get mouth. You understand what I mean? You're supposed to they closer to your husband, mama. Even though they do something, that they carry women down like Pikin. Mommy, waiting I really do you. Mommy, waiting I did do you. Wait, be say you not love me. The way when you take talk to your husband, mama, tears go fall for your head. He go tell you the truth. He go tell you the truth. If he tell you the truth, if now you to apologize, mommy, oh, I'm sorry. If now because of his son, okay, I will change him. My husband went there here, when me I there so. Yes, you dey hear me? I change his life. I make him be human being. You understand what I mean? So, if you make your husband somebody, don't make your family hate him. Alright? Don't make that peace closer. They closer to your husband mother. German first lady. With that thing when you do, go and withdraw the paper. Yeah? Withdraw the paper and apologize to your husband mother. You cannot tell me you are not aware. You are aware. Your husband is aware. I don't want to use a words that are unforgivable. I get words to tell, not you, your husband. But I don't want to release utter. German first lady, just put your shoe, put your leg for that your husband mama place. Say he can't born, or suddenly his son there against him. You there against him. If his son there against him, mama, you won't be wife. What is your responsibility? What is your responsibility if son and mama they quarrel? Your responsibility is to bring peace. Only what you they do now say, hey, not like me, oh, not giving me. I don't want to play all your me. I don't use. I don't want to play all your rubbish, all your nonsense video here. Hey, my heady, if I can't go grave, now you talk that time last time. You say if you go grave, so you when everybody say me go apologize, but this time around again, now to go grave. Please. German first lady, change for once. Change for once. Change. How many times I tell you, my dear, change. The eye when they tell look your mama, they can look your husband mama. Even though your husband they talk about bad of his mother, tell her say, honey, stop that. It's a woman like me. Nobody knows tomorrow. Me and you feel quarrel tomorrow. What of children? That many say the woman don't say throw away children. He just leave them to come abroad to hustle to make good life for children. I mean, now you carry your husband come. Not be mama bring them come. Eh? My dear, you not good. You not good, change. And go and withdraw that Ayelala and I apologize to your mother. Okay, wait. If to say they not carry Ayelala enter Facebook, when men out there get Ayelala they exist. Eh? You don't know. Okay, now you know. They can't open your eye now for Facebook say Ayelala is existing. And they look all of you now. Ayelala is dancing up and down.